Have you been looking for a single story that's sitting on an 80-foot lot? Well, wait until you check out Model 218 by Highland Homes. Guys, this single story is not only sitting on an 80-foot lot, but it also holds 4.5 bathrooms and 3-car garage. Can't wait for you guys to check it out. Come on in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon. I'm a local real estate agent here in Houston, Texas. If you're out there and you've been thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas and in the surrounding cities, well, don't forget to reach out. All my contact information are going to be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Houston, Texas. Now, if you enjoy videos like this one, like home tours, and you're also curious about knowing everything there is to know about Houston, Texas, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, without doing any more talking, let's go check out Model 218 by Highland Homes. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this model tour. I hope you like this model, and if you're interested in knowing more about it, have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can either leave a comment or reach out to me directly. All my contact information will be in the description below. And again, if you're thinking about relocating to Houston, Texas, it doesn't matter whether it's in 9 days or 90 days, please reach out to me. Let's come up with a plan for you to get here and get to your home as smoothly and stress-free as possible. My name is Solomon. I'm a local real estate agent here. If you also already live in Houston and you're thinking about buying a first home or even selling or investing, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Tim and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth transaction. And if you do enjoy videos like this one, or enjoy knowing more about Houston, Texas and the surrounding cities around, well, don't hesitate to reach out, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys take care. Cheers.